Okay, now we will try to understand how to use the .NET framework. Okay, .NET framework that will be used to develop the applications. So first of all, before developing application, if you want to develop uh, applications in Microsoft environment, you need to install .NET framework software development kit. Okay, so if you want to develop applications, so we need to install the .NET framework software development kit. Okay, .NET framework software development kit in our computer. So we can download it from the official Microsoft website. Okay, so first of all, let us go here. So once you download, we need to choose a programming language. Whenever you have downloaded .NET framework software development SDK, so then you need to choose a program because it supports this .NET framework SDK software development kit supports C Sharp, Visual Basic, and F Sharp. So it supports the programming language like C Sharp, Visual Basic, F Sharp. Okay, which is the programming language that is so comfortable to you, you need to choose such a programming language as per your project requirement. Next, we need to, once your SDK software development kit of .NET framework installed on your computer, now we need a development environment that is called IDE, integrated development environment, because we need an IDE to write and compile our code. Okay, so here Microsoft provides Visual Studio. It is an IDE, integrated development environment. Okay, it is an Visual Studio is a integrated development environment, so with robust features for .NET development. So now once your SDK software development kit of .NET framework installed, then we need to download Visual Studio Community Edition for free. Visual Studio Community Edition, that is a very free edition. So this Visual Studio Community Edition, it includes all necessary tools for .NET development. Okay, now then open the Visual Studio and create a project. Okay, we need to choose the type of project. So we want to create based on the application we are building. Okay, such as a console. Suppose if I want to create console applications, Windows Forms application, ASP.NET web application, so like whatever you, so you write your code. Once your project is set up, now we can start writing code. Okay, so let us see how to do that. So first of all, from this is what Microsoft.com, this is the authorized website from this .NET. This is the website. As I told you that many times, we need to ensure that HTTPS secure protocol under this Microsoft.com website. So download, this is the latest version, download .NET for Windows. So my operating system is Windows. So this is the latest version released on March. Today is March 28. Released recently, March 14, 2024. .NET 8.0. This is the latest version. Okay. Actually, before this was the .NET framework gradually being replaced by newer versions such as .NET Core, and it is replaced by .NET 5. So this ChatGPT 3.5, it is updated up to last January 2022, as of my last updated January 2022. Then after, so ChatGPT has the knowledge up to only January 2002. 22. So then after 22, 23, 2 years passed away. So now this is the latest. Okay, .NET 8. ChatGPT stating that it is stating that latest as per ChatGPT 3.5, it is feeling that .NET 5. So but now .NET 8.0 version, which is recently released in March 14, 2024. So now you click on this. Okay, this is .NET Framework Software Development Kit supporting for 64-bit operating Windows operating system. Many times I told you that 32-bit and 64-bit, two types of operating system. That is 64-bit means it indicates the data bus. Okay, so now you click on this. So whenever you click on this, now whenever your Microsoft.NET Software Development Kit 8 version 8, whenever it is downloaded, whenever you click on that, so now you will get this and click on this install. Okay, now it is asking for this. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Okay, this is the Microsoft.NET Framework Software Development 8 version. Yes. So now what happened? It will take time to, whenever it is reaches the green bar up to here. So means, so software, the .NET Framework Software Development Kit 8 is the latest version, which is released in 14 March 2024. Now it is being installed in my computer because I want to create the apps by using languages like what you know, it supports Visual Basic, C#, F#. So let us see. Then after it, whenever it is installed, then we need to install one IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay, many times we have studied about integrated development, and whenever we were studying about Python, that moment I told you that Visual Studio Code I have downloaded, and that I told you many times Visual Studio Code, VS Code, it supports to write the code for so many C, C++, Java, Python, C#, so many languages. So, and for Python, PyCharm also I have shown. PyCharm will be used for Python. It is IDE for Python. Then after IntelliJ Student Edition, that is for Java. Okay, so here for this .NET Framework Software Development Kit, we need of a IDE to write and compile the code, that is Visual Studio. Okay, first of all let it be installed, then we will need to download the Visual Studio. So clearly, once we need to install that, before developing applications by using of .NET Framework, first we need to install this software development kit. We are installing now. This is being developed here. This is being, so it is being run. It is one more, it is closed now because this is, are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. This is running. Two versions are running. One is this is running, this is two are running. So let us see first of all what happened. Then as per ChatGPT, we need to choose a programming language. Either we need to choose C#, otherwise Visual Basic. Now .NET SDK successfully installed. Along with this, the following products installed. One is your SDK runtime, .NET runtime, and ASP.NET Core runtime 8, .NET Windows Desktop runtime 8. These all have been installed. Now close it now. Okay.